Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Ramli Roams World. Today I am in Abu Dhabi, Manar Abu Dhabi. In the light compass there are around 12 installations of something related to light. The last one more or less, let's see that. We are slightly far. Let me go closer. Touch the flower and it sings. This special plant connects to sensors that turn your touch into light and sound. Let's see that. The one. Wow. It looks so natural. It doesn't look like a light. Wow. When she touches, there's some music. Okay, that's great. See that?
بالنسبة لي إنه هنا أنت بتصمم الفن مش الباقي الفنون يعني كيف هي واقفة يا بس هنا أكشن هيك So what's the experience so far?
All the experience of art.
What do you like the most?
Okay. Let me touch
So how about I
and see
talk a
them.
little bit about this piece? You want?
Yeah.
So can you come close, please? Come closer.
Very good.
So this piece was made by a German artist. His name is Christian Brinkmann. So in this piece, what did he wanted to do? He wanted to show us the connection between human and nature. So how did he do that? He bought a flower. This is actually 100% real flower. And he installed sensors inside of it. So now, as soon as someone touches the flower, can you come close? Step here, please. And can you please step here, please? Excuse me, can you move? So, it's okay. Now touch the flower. Just touch it. It's okay, you can move it around. Touch it, come close. Don't bite. It's moving according to a touch. So each sense you touch it gives you a little
It moves as well.
So you can feel the connection.
Okay, now everyone stop. The flower become this flower and that one. Yes, very excellent. The same flower other side.
Touch it. Okay.
And it changes as well. The human connection.
Thank you. Can you now step back a little bit?
Similar to the other one. Wow. Okay. With this, we end our tour of Manar Abu Dhabi. It's a very interesting experience. It's free and it's in the evening. Here the exit, Manar Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much. Really very pleasant experience. The staff are very excellent, very professional, from the greetings and everything. Very excellent experience. If any of you in UAE are coming down to UAE, you can visit this place. It's free of charge. It's in Abu Dhabi, in between Yas Island and Abu Dhabi city. I will tell you the timing only. in the description. I'm sure it's from the evening because it's all connected to light. Again, the location is called Manar Abu Dhabi, and the light compass here, the board I can show you. And there's a scanner, what is called not scanner, it's called what code, I forgot the code, barcode. Yes, you can scan and see in the website. It's called part.ae. QR code, yes, I have forgotten. Okay, this is a view and entrance, the other side entrance, this exit. Okay, see, yeah, taxis are available here and it's waiting, plenty of taxis. That's it. Bye from Manar Abu Dhabi. See you in the next video. Bye.